Welcome, student. This is part 2 of Climate of India containing 25 MCQs with answer explanation. Let's start. Why are hills station like Uti cooler than nearby plains like Coimbatore? And correct answer is C. They are at higher altitude. What happened to air density as altitude increases? And correct answer is D. It decreases. Why is the temperature lower at higher altitude? And correct answer is B. Due to less air pressure and thinner air. Why do places near the sea have moderate climate? And correct answer is B. Due to ocean wind. Which of these cities has a higher temperature range? And correct answer is A. Nagpur. What is the temperature range in Mumbai? And correct answer is B. 14 degrees Celsius. What is the main reason for temperature moderation in coastal area? And correct answer is C. Sea breeze and slow heating of water. Which of the following is a hill station? And correct answer is D. Ooty. Which feature protect the Indian subcontinent from cold Central Asian wind? And correct answer is A. Himalayas. What is the totality of physical surface feature in an area called? And correct answer is C. Topography. What kind of climate is found in enclosed valley or dense forest? And correct answer is D. Microclimate. What is an urban heat island? And correct answer is C. A city with higher temperature than nearby areas. What does the word monsoon originally mean? And correct answer is D. Season. What causes summer monsoon in India? And correct answer is C. Low pressure over land. In winter, winds in India blow from. And correct answer is B. Land to ocean. What is Mausaran famous for? And correct answer is A. Heaviest average rainfall. What direction do summer monsoon wind come from in India? And correct answer is B. Southwest. What block rain from reaching the Deccan Plateau during the southwest monsoon? And correct answer is C. Western Ghat. What type of monsoon bring winter rainfall to part of southern and eastern India? And correct answer is D. Northeast monsoon. Which city is likely to have the most extreme temperature range? And correct answer is C. Nagpur. What is a key factor causing seasonal monsoon? And correct answer is A. Uneven heating of land and water. What traditional sign predict monsoon onset on the Konkan coast? And correct answer is B. Fish coming to surface. What trees blooming is said to predict the monsoon? And correct answer is C. Golden shower tree that is called Cassia fistula. According to traditional belief, if crows build a high nest, it means. And correct answer is C. Rainfall will be less. Which Indian mountain range affect monsoon rainfall distribution? And correct answer is A. Western Ghat. Thanks for watching my MCQ channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to get regular update. Thank you.